Hello, 918.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am here with a student. We're gonna run through the driving test one more time. We've been practicing. She tests as soon as the DMV opens, which is a little over half an hour. So, they're gonna ask you a couple of questions. You just listen and follow the instructions, right? So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn it left.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park, you pull the handbrake and turn the car off.
Okay, good. Go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Okay. Alright, so they're checking to make sure your brake lights are working, your turn signal lights are working, your horns are working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Now they'll ask you to turn the wheel all the way to the left. They're going to be checking your left front tire, turn all the way right. All the way until it stops. Again, they're going to be checking your right front tire, straighten the wheel. So that's 2 times to the middle. Cool. Alright, so now they're going to come into the car. They're going to tell you all that stuff from outside. They're going to come into the car. They're going to tell you basically to listen and follow instruction. They're going to say something like, there are no tricks on the test. You feel me?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go to the left. So reverse until your mirror is past the end of these cars, the end of the parking lot. Look both ways here because cars could be coming from either direction. Now turn all the way right. Look behind you. And stop about here. Now put the car back in drive. We're gonna go down by where those cones are. We're gonna do the 3-point turn down there. So pull straight down, closer to the right, closer to the cones. We're gonna stop about here. Alright, speed up to 20 and then do a sudden stop. Stop. Reverse, straight back. Look behind and just let it roll, no gas. Keep the wheel straight. Okay, that's good enough. Stop here. 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Go forward a little bit more. Just make sure you're not on the grass right there. Okay. Reverse all the way right. Look over your left shoulder. Alright, that's good. Take it back in the drive. Signal left again. Alright, make a right turn at the stop sign so you can make sure you come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make it right. Stay in the right lane. And we're gonna make a right turn past this cone right here. Alright, we're gonna park in between these cones. So make sure you signal left to park. Reverse and we're gonna go to the right. So you back up past the cone, turn all the way left.
Oh.
And look behind you as you reverse. Go back enough where you can see the stop sign here. In drive. And make sure you stop at this stop sign because people fail this driving test by running past the stop sign because it's so close to the parking space. They back out and forget to stop. Alright, go straight across and then go around the corner. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make a right turn. And then make a right turn to go out to the street. Now this test is the only test in the county where they actually take you on the road. And you're on the road for literally about a minute. Once you get out there, you just go into the stop sign, make a right turn, and then back into the plaza. So you're gonna pull up here, stop, and just wait for the traffic. See, this here is always full of traffic, so you wait until it's clear before you pull out.
Is that the same car?
Where? Which one?
The Charger.
No, that's a different one.
I was gonna say, not even.
That idiot been left. Stop here.
I hope so.
Look at this guy trying to squeeze miles. Crazy. I should put the camera on him. What the hell? Oh, old woman.
Yo.
Wait. Go in the right lane. And we're making the right turn.
The weather's weathering.
Yeah.
Are they gonna go?
Well, you have the right of way, but you can let them.
They need to stop that.
Okay, go ahead. Completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make it right. Stay in the right lane. It's important that you stay in your lane 100%. Every time they tell you to turn, make sure you signal and make sure you stop at the stop sign. That's kind of obvious, but you know, if you don't stop, you won't pass.
That's right.
Yeah. So stop completely here. 1, 2, 3. Look to the left. Make sure there's nothing coming, and go ahead and make your right turn. This time we're gonna go on the left side of this Honda and park. Okay, straight in here. That's fine. You don't need to back up. Just put it back in there. Yeah, that's fine. All right. So, how do you think you did?
Out of 10, I'd say 7.
Out of 10, I'd say 8.
I'm trying to like work on how like I accelerate
Yeah,
without having a like jerky.
Jerky. Yeah, she's actually a pretty good driver. It's just she's never driven slow.
Yeah.
So she's learning how to drive slow. You know, the test is in a plaza, mostly. So it requires more control of the car than driving on the street. So she kind of got it. When we first came here, she was rough. But
yeah.
she's got it. So she'll pass the driving test. I'll let you guys know what she got on the test. Now I need you to ask these kind people to just subscribe to the channel, please.
Subscribe, please.
Thank you. Alright, you hear the nice lady, subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed already and you're watching the channel every day and you're getting the benefits of watching the channel, well, do me the favor and subscribe. Watch the video to the end, by the way. Like, you know, I should have said that in the beginning, but
that's
yeah. You're at the end. If you're watching it, if you're seeing this, you've watched it to the end. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Later, guys.
Cool.